are the ones you want. My kids love these, and it's hard to find a protein shake that kids actually like. The chocolate milk tastes like chocolate milk. It doesn't taste like a protein shake. It's so good. I've ordered it 112 times. 112 times. Okay, you want your protein drinks to match the calories. This should be around 16 grams of protein, and it is 15 grams for 160 calories, so that is a good calories to protein. Also, it's only 1 gram of sugar. There's really no added sugar to this because it's only 1 gram and it tastes amazing, which is why I bought it 112 times. My kids love it. I love it. Kids have it for breakfast. Little kids, age 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they drink this like it's chocolate milk, and it's good for them compared to actual chocolate milk. So get this. You will not be disappointed. The price is better than at the store. On Amazon, if I go to the store to buy this, it's more expensive. Definitely try it. Even if you're not doing Atkins and you just want a good protein shake, this is the one.